Motherboards for multi-device streaming ensure stable connectivity, high bandwidth, efficient multitasking, and smooth performance across simultaneous audio and video streams. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Inland Motherboard. The Raptor Lake Refresh platform paired with the Intel Core i7-14700K delivers exceptional performance for both gaming and professional workloads, making it a true high-end computing solution. With its 20 cores, 8 performance plus 12 efficient, and 28 threads, along with boost speeds up to 5.6 GHz, it handles intensive multitasking, video editing, and AAA gaming with impressive smoothness and responsiveness. The inclusion of Intel UHD Graphics 770 provides basic display and multimedia support, while compatibility with DDR4 and DDR5 ensures flexible memory options for different builds. Complementing the CPU, the Asus TUF Gaming Z790 plus Wi-Fi motherboard enhances stability and durability with military-grade components, a robust 16+1 DRMOS power stage, and advanced cooling design for sustained performance during long gaming sessions. PCIe 5.0 support, Thunderbolt 4 readiness, and extensive connectivity further future-proof the system, while features like SafeDIMM, M.2 QLatch, and AI noise cancellation improve usability and overall user experience. Now our second product is Micro Center Motherboard. The AMD Ryzen 79850X3D is a high-performance desktop processor built for gamers and creators who demand exceptional speed and efficiency. With 8 cores and 16 threads, boost clocks up to 5.6 GHz and an expanded 104 MB L2 plus L3 cache. It delivers outstanding responsiveness, especially in cache-sensitive gaming workloads and heavy multitasking scenarios. Its unlocked design enables overclocking potential, while PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support ensure cutting-edge bandwidth for next-gen GPUs and memory. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics add basic display capability, making it versatile even without a discrete GPU. Paired with the MSI Mag X870E Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard, this platform becomes a true powerhouse, featuring a 14-phase duet rail power system with ADA SPS for stable high-performance delivery, advanced cooling with extended heat sinks, MOSFET thermal pads, and Easy M.2 Shield Frozr 2 ensures thermal efficiency during sustained loads. With Wi-Fi 7, USB 440 gigabits per second, multiple PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots, and robust DDR5 overclocking support, this combo offers future-ready performance, extreme stability, and premium connectivity for demanding users. Our third product is MSI Motherboard. This motherboard delivers a strong balance of next-generation performance, connectivity, and stability, making it a solid foundation for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors. Its built-in USB 4 Lightning USB 40G port stands out, offering ultra-fast 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds ideal for external SSDs, high-resolution displays, and professional workflows. The extended heatsink design, paired with an optimized power delivery layout, ensures stable thermal performance even when running high core count CPUs under sustained heavy loads. For networking, the integrated 5G LAN provides low latency, high-speed connectivity, making it well-suited for competitive gaming, streaming, and large file transfers. Audio Boost 5 enhances the experience further with isolated, high-quality sound processing that delivers clear, immersive audio for gaming and media consumption. Now number 4, Asus Motherboard. This AMD STR5 platform motherboard is built for extreme workstation and professional-grade computing, fully supporting up to 96-core AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7000 WX series and Threadripper 7000 processors. It is engineered for heavy workloads such as 3D rendering, AI training, simulation, and high-end content creation. With support for up to 1 TB ECC RDIMM DDR5 memory, 1 DPC. It delivers massive memory bandwidth and reliability essential for enterprise environments. The robust power design, featuring 36 power stages, dual 8-pin CPU connectors, and extensive VRM cooling, ensures stable performance even under continuous full-load conditions. Connectivity is equally impressive, offering 3 PCIe 5.0x 16 slots, Wi-Fi 7, dual 10 gigabits and 2.5 gigabits LAN, multiple M.2 slots, and high-speed USB 20 gigabits per second Type-C ports with slim SAS NVMe support. Server-grade IPMI remote management, along with ASUS Control Center Express, adds professional monitoring and control capabilities, making this an ideal solution for data-intensive, mission-critical workstation builds. And our last choice is Gigabyte Motherboard. This AMD socket AM5 motherboard is a well-balanced platform designed to maximize the performance of Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. With support for high-speed DDR5 memory across 4 DMM slots, it ensures excellent bandwidth and responsiveness for gaming, productivity, and multitasking workloads. The 14+2+2 power design provides stable and efficient power delivery, allowing CPUs to maintain consistent performance under heavy loads while supporting future upgrade headroom. Thermal management is well thought out, featuring VRM and M.2 thermal guard solutions that help prevent overheating and maintain long-term reliability during sustained operation. On the connectivity side, PCIe 5.0 support enables next-generation graphics cards and ultra-fast storage devices, while 3M.2 slots offer flexible and high-speed storage expansion. Additional features like USB-C connectivity and sensor panel link enhance usability and customization. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.